In my previous video, we bought a new motor for this Outback because the old one rod knocked. So here's the new motor all ready to go. It's time to put it in the car. These are pretty easy to work on. I can have them ready to run in about 2 hours. Oil in it, jump pack hooked up just because I don't know if this battery's super good. Fuel pump fuse right there is unplugged. So now I'm gonna turn it over, hope it sounds okay, and try and build up some oil pressure. That means we have built up oil pressure. Well, unfortunately, I just did a first start and I forgot to hit the record button on my phone. So I'm gonna do my second first start for you guys. I'm gonna act like I don't know what happened. I don't know if it's gonna sound good. We'll see what happens. So the second first start was successful. So we took it for a drive, made sure it got up to temp and brought it back home. Radiator fans came on. Unfortunately, both our mufflers have holes and it needs brakes, so we need to do some more work.